In this video, I am going to show you step by step how to customize your Shopify store using the Debutify theme. I will walk you through everything so that you can easily follow along and set up your store. Let's get started. So first things first, head over to your Shopify account. If you haven't signed up yet, you can head over and sign up using our link on the description below in order to get 3 days of free trial. You can also avail the first 3 months for $1 per month, and they will also give you $20 USD domain discount. Once you have opened and set up a store, you can go right here to the online store option. From in there, you should be able to see the online store that you have right now as well as the current theme that you have available. So you should be able to show right here our store. So here is our current store. As you have noticed, the current theme is Dawn theme. So let's head over and change that. In order to do this, scroll down right here until you reach the popular free themes. And you can see in here some theme options. Let's head over and click onto this Visit Theme Store and it will open a new tab that will direct us to the Shopify theme store itself. Just wait for this to finish loading. So here are some theme samples. What we can do is we can head over and click onto this search bar and then from in here, search in here for the Beautify. Now you should be able to show in here this and click onto the enter icon in order to find this particular theme. As you can see, as of right now, the Beautify theme is not on the theme store already. What you can do instead is you can head over to a new tab, search for the Beautify theme, and you can see in here this. The Beautify is a top rated Shopify theme with AI widgets. So you can just click onto this first link right here in order to go to the beautify.com. Now, as you can see, you can actually get this theme for only $1 for 30 days. So you can also start a free trial for this. You can click on this start free trial option, or you can also just buy this right here. You can just head over and sign up to their Debutify and then click on this start for free on the AI theme that they have. Once you have clicked on it, you should be redirected for the waitlist or for the actual product for this theme. From in there, it should be able to look like this. So you can build a store directly from the Beautify theme itself. You can use a prompt-based store builder or also a manual store builder. So for this one, let's use a prompt-based store builder. Click onto this, start with a prompt, and it will ask what kind of store you are building today. So for example, let's input right here, build a store about dresses. You can also input right here the name of your business and also specify the look that you want right here. I'll input elegant look. After that, click onto this and then this will build your store. Just hang tight until it reaches 100 for it to be successfully created. Now that it's done creating, you can click onto this continue option. And then it should be able to redirect you to the AI-powered store template that has been created. You can choose right here onto the actual plan since this is the second step. So you can enjoy the first month for $1, or you can also choose free, growth, professional, enterprise, or custom. By choosing annually, you can also save up to 50%. If you want to get the Beautify theme, we also have a link on the description below in order to get this and try this. Let me head over and then choose the free option first, or you can also skip this step for now and come back to it later once you're done. Now in here, this will ask you to integrate it with your Shopify platform. So you need to do this in order to verify this. So what you can do is you can head back right here to your Shopify, then head back right here to your online store. Now you should be able to have your own online store theme by clicking on this view your store, and it should be able to provide you your actual theme URL. This is a theme URL, which is the mix of numbers and letters. This is quite typical for new Shopify stores since it's just created and there's no domain yet to introduce or brand. Once you have copied that, input right here the store URL and then click on this verify URL. Just wait for this to be verified, and you can also add an ACK API access token. Once it's done with the verification, you can see in here this green icon, which means that it's been verified. So we also have in here some steps in order to access the Shopify app development. So you can enter the Debutify app, and here is the step for that particular API access token. So you can also do this part as well if you would want. Now let's head over and then just click on continue since this part is just an option. Now you can proceed without the Debutify app, but do take note that in order to unlock the automated theme publishing, AI generated assets, and seamless updates, you need to have this app right here. So decide now if you want, but if you don't, you can skip ahead to the next section of our video. Now I'll head over and then show you how to do this if you decided to do this as well. So we have in here this recent instructions. Let's head back right here into our Shopify store and then go to our channels. Once you have selected your settings, head over to this apps and sales channel. Now from in there, you should be able to see in here some suggestions as well as some settings related to this. What you can do is you can click onto this develop app option and then wait for this to specifically load. From in here, make sure to allow custom app development. Then once you have allowed it, it should be able to show you in here to create one. Click onto this allow. Now from in here, click onto this create an app. Input right here the app name and click onto this create app. Now once this app has been created, we can now access the API tokens that we have available earlier. So wait for this to load. In here, you can see this. So what we can do is we can head over and then configure in here the admin API scores. Now, once you have clicked on that, it should be able to show you in here some results based on this right there. From in here, click onto this filter option or the search bar option and type in here theme. So make sure to select right themes, read themes, as well as right theme code. Make sure to save this once you're done. Once you're done with that part, you can now install the application. Click onto this install app and click onto this install and then wait for this app to be installed into your actual Shopify store. Now in here, they will provide you an admin API access token. So make sure to click on the reveal once option and then copy the token that we have right here. And then head back right here to your Debutify and then input right here the API access token given. I'll just input that and click onto this configure custom app once you're done. As you can see, access token has been successfully configured and uploaded. You can choose the theme upload type. It can be uploaded only or also published live. You can choose in here which one you want. Now once you're done, click on continue right here and this should be integrated into your Shopify store. Now, on the next part of your actual Debutify theme, you can integrate some dropshipping applications as long as you actually do dropshipping. So for this particular store, I actually think of doing dropshipping. So I'll head over and install the AutoDS right here. So if you already have or if you don't have any AutoDS account, I actually recommend you to go to our description below in order to sign up for AutoDS. They will give you in here exclusive discounts as well as some free trials to the application itself. So don't forget to sign up using our link. Now into this next part of your Debutify theme, you can claim a free .store domain. So you can just input right here your brand. So the Beautify team already have this integrated, but if you want a specific domain, I actually recommend you to use Namecheap. So as you can see right here, Namecheap can actually offer you a lot of domain extensions. You can just input right here the domain theme that you want, and they will give you suggestions on domain extensions such as .fashion, .com, .to, .org, .ai, .xyz, as well as a lot more. There's actually a limitless selections right here. So if you want, you can also head over to our description below in order to get a discount on your next Namecheap subscription. Now I haven't heard this, so you can just head over and click onto this add to cart option. and then just check out this particular domain by clicking on this checkout button. Now, once you have bought it, you can successfully use it into your actual store on Shopify. I'll show you how to do that later. Now, let's head back to our Debutify theme. So, since we already have a domain from Namecheap, we can actually skip this step. Now, in here, you can just set up the email marketing as well as reviews as well as the Beautify apps that you can add. So your domain store has been successfully registered and you can see here the email, password, and the likes. So from in there, just wait for this. Now the Beautify right here actually have an email as well as SMS applications, and they also have reviews applications as well as some other the Beautify apps. There are some applications that you can use. We have the Beautify Reviews, Looks, George.me as well as Kudos. So I actually recommend to use in here this judge.me option. If you don't have an account there yet, you can use our link on the description below in order to get one. Now, next thing is you can continue and you should be able to see some other the Beautify apps. So as you have noticed, the Beautify has an AI widget and sections that we can use. Now you can also see in here that they have some free apps like back to top buttons, spending goal, and the likes. Once you're done, head over and click on continue right here. Now, from in here, just choose the theme that you want to integrate into your actual Shopify store. Just head over and click on the download theme option, and it should be downloaded right here into your actual computer. As you can see, here's the Beautify Fashion right here, and once it's done downloading, we can successfully import this into our Shopify. So I'll show you later on how to do that. So, as you have noticed, the Beautify theme is actually a collection of a lot of themes that you can use using this third party provider. As you can see, they have fashion, pets, beauty, health and wellness, jewelry, footwear, as well as a lot more under this case. You can also visit their template library. They have a lot of templates and also some templates that are categorized based on these options that we have right here. Once you're done downloading the actual file, you can head back right here to your Shopify store, click on Next, and then after that, head over right here to your online store option in order to see the themes that you have available again. So from in here, you can see that we already have our Debutify right there, or you can also upload right here the actual theme that we have downloaded directly from Debutify, which is the Debutify Fashion. So in here, you can just click onto the customize option if you want to use the default theme that the Beautify has generated for you. Now from in there, you should be able to open the Shopify editor on this. As you see right here, we already have a fully functioning theme created from the Beautify itself. So the next thing we can do is we can just customize the actual designs that we have right here. We already have an announcement bar, we have header, we have templates, we have in here some widgets as well. Now in this, click onto this particular element that we have and you have the option to change the particular image added to this. So we have the image desktop right here. You can click onto this change option in order to change this. Now you can also input the image for the mobile as well as image alignment for those particular options. Now in here, you can see that we have our store and you can click on your header and you can change in here the actual sticky header, the logo added, as well as some color schemes for this case. So since on this, I can just head over and click onto this header and change the logo. In order to do that, you need to head over right here to your theme settings. We have in here under the theme settings the free widgets given by the actual Beautify. We have age check, equity terms, heart bubble, cookie box, and the like. We also have paid widgets that you can actually pay, and we also have free sections given by the Beautify itself. As you can see, this is a very good theme that you can use for your store. Now let's talk about the theme settings for the logo. You can click on the logo right here and then input right here the favicon image as well as the desktop logo that you want to use for your actual store. So let's click onto the select and into this right here. You can just upload the image or the logo that you want to use for your actual Debutify theme store. You can just input here the actual photo. I'll head over and choose this photo and click on done, and it should be able to be uploaded right around here. Once you're done with everything, head over and click onto the publish option or to the save option in order to save all of the changes that you have right there. So that's all there is today about our Debutify theme tutorial. I hope this video helped you out a lot and lets you know how great Debutify is for your actual store. So see you on the next videos.